Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Zina. Today we'll be reviewing the new Rare Beauty Stay Vulnerable Melting Blush, and I have all 5 shades. So this blush is supposed to be a very natural blush. It's water resistant. It's supposed to stay throughout the day because you know most of the time when you do your makeup, the first thing that tends to disappear from your face is usually the blush, but this claims to stay on your face. Did I spit? This claims to stay on your face the whole day, which is pretty impressive if that's true. I'm sorry, I can't really taste that because it's almost 6 o'clock and I don't think I will be wearing this blush for a very long time. I just want to demonstrate and see how it applies on my skin tone if you want to use me as a shade reference. So the packaging, all the packaging is pretty simple. It looks like this, okay, and then has the shade name on top of it. This is my first time opening it. I am about to open all. Ooh, that's pretty cute. So has this like very light color. I don't know if you guys can see it, but this is what it looks like. Oh, this is so pretty. Oh wow, I am impressed. And then this legit looks like a lipstick, kind of matching my lips. So this is what it looks like in the inside. This is so gorgeous. So the first shade we are going to try on is Nearly Mauve. Okay, should I just use my finger maybe? Oh, this is so soft. Oh my god, this is really soft. Like, okay, so for demonstration purposes, I am going to place my blush right here. Usually I tend to do it up here because I have a circular face, and putting a blush right here makes your face look more circular than anything. But just for today, hang with me. We are going to do that. Okay, I'm getting a lot of like natural situation. I am wearing her foundation, the Rare Beauty foundation, and it doesn't look like it's lifting it. It has this like lip balm feeling to it when it comes to the texture. Okay, it's literally applying like a balm, but then it doesn't feel greasy at all once it is on your skin. I am not sure I'm going to use this brush and see what happens. So as you can see, if you use a brush, it kind of tend to pack it on more opaque than using your finger. So feel free to use your brush if you have one. This is so pretty. This is like a flush of color, but nothing like too intense. Plus, if it's like too intense for you, all you have to do is like go over it using like a translucent powder, and it kind of like tones it down. I don't want to tone it down, but this looks gorgeous. I'm sorry, I'm looking at my monitor. I do apologize, but yeah. So this is Nearly Mauve. By the way, I'm wearing the mauve lip gloss from, what is it, Fenty Cream Gloss Balm in the shade Mauve. So here we are. Okay, the next shade I want to try is probably Apricot. The moment I saw like she launched a blush, a cream blush, I was like, oh, how does it compare with like the what is it, the Fenty Cream blush? So if you want to see, they are both like, they both have like a balm texture. This is Fenty and this is Rare Beauty. So if I get to swatch it, let me see, it's 1, 2, 3. I don't know if swatching makes any difference, but this is what the Fenty Beauty looks like, and then the Rare Beauty would be 1, 2, 3. This is definitely sheer. Look at this. This is definitely sheer and very like smooth. It's like very, I don't know how to explain it. It doesn't feel like anything is on your skin. This is a little bit like balm feeling to it. and you can see the texture. But anyways, if you want to know how it compares, that's how it compares. Plus this one stays glossy and bomb. This is like it dries out to be matte, I guess. Why am I eating hair? This is not even my hair. Okay, so let's just do nearly apricot or apricot. Is that how people pronounce apricot? I don't even know. Okay. Do we like apricot? Sir, can you just stop? Let the people see what they're here to see. She is not showing up to the party. Because again, remember, this is like the type of blush that you can never go wrong. That is the purpose. So I am going to use that brush again. And kind of like bounce it in. Okay. Yeah, no. Where's the foundation? Just a tiny bit of the foundation. And get them here and work around the edge. Kind of diffuse it. Okay, and bam. I don't know which one looks good. I feel like I like nearly mauve over nearly apricot. Leave a comment below which one is your favorite. Let's jump to the other two we are comparing. We have 5, don't worry, since I have like 2 sides. That's what I'm talking about. Okay, the next shade we'll be going over with is Nearly Berry. Yes, I did remove the blushes, put a foundation on, change my lip gloss just for you guys so you guys can see how the look can tie. Okay, this is kind of the dedication I have for you guys, the love, the dedication. But anyways, Nearly Berry looks like this deep shade. She looks a little scary. Okay. Let's just. What if I use a beauty blender? What happens when I use a beauty blender? Okay, a beauty blender. I'm joking. A beauty blender, but I don't want people to be like, don't say it. Oh. So, in this department, beauty blender applies things a little packed, I guess. Remember those days where you never caught me wearing a blush? Those good old days. But now, like, I am all here for a blush, like a good blush. This is kind of giving me like nearly mauve, but this is just a little deeper. Like she's telling us she's here. Like she wants everybody to know that she made an appearance to the red carpet. But this is Nearly Berry for you guys, okay? Then a little bit like lighter or a lot lighter from Nearly Berry is Nearly Neutral. This is what Nearly Neutral looks like. Let's grab another beauty blender. By the way, I use that blender dry, so this one is a little wet. So let's get to the bottom of the situation. Nearly nothing, exactly. Nearly where? But it says nearly neutral, so that is what I'm going to expect. I feel like I'm seeing back. Do we like? Do we like or not? I don't know. Maybe let's go back to the dry one and see. Okay, for sure, like use your blender, like your beauty blender, dry, because this is giving. Okay, I'm so confused. I don't know if you guys are seeing what I'm seeing here, but I feel like they're eventually turning to be like the same thing. Like I feel like the more I apply Nearly Neutral, I can build it to Nearly Berry. Like let's just do that for the heck of it. Okay, no. this definitely have a red undertone. I can't lie to you guys. Okay, I keep building this. Okay. Now I look like a clown, but you get the point. I don't walk around looking like this. I'm just applying this on top of my foundation. So you guys can see like the full impact without me putting powder, without me trying to blend anything. But this is what we are working with currently. We are on shade number 4. We have one more to go. Let me wipe this beauty and I will be back soon. The last shade I have for you guys is Nearly Rose. By the way, I'm wearing the, what is it, sir? The Rare Beauty lipstick in the shade Inspire. And this is what it looks like. There she is with all her glory. Yes, ma'am, no ham, no turkey. So this is the last shade. Chances are I'll apply this on both sides. Let's just dig in. Okay. Yes. So based on what I saw on all the shades, this is more like a foul-proof blush because you can build it up to your desire, but then again, it's supposed to be like a flush. Like it should be something within your skin. It is so natural. But the fact that it's like that though, eventually I feel like everything looked the same. For me, excuse me if you think I am blind, but I am legally not blind. But that is the vibe that I am getting. I love it. It's just I don't think we should go out and buy every shade possible because honestly speaking, they all kind of like look the same on my skin tone. I like this one. I think she's cute. Maybe because like I applied it on both sides. Like, but anyways, yeah, like that's how I feel about it. So I don't think I don't see the need of like going out and like buying all 5 shades. Like I said, they are very close to each other. The whole point of this line is to be all natural. Everything is very light on the skin and all that beautiful, gorgeous, natural finish situation, which you're getting from this brand. I'm actually happy that they released like a blush for like the general public who just need like a hint, because I know like powder blushes tend to look a little unnatural if you overdo it, but then these ones are like you could go over. Like whenever I make a mistake, basically what I do is like I'll use my foundation brush and go around the edge and kind of like diffuse it so it can look perfect. Is that even a word? Like this looks really gorgeous. So I hope you find my review helpful. If you do, please don't forget to subscribe, join the family, and hit that like button. I love you guys. I will catch you in my next video. Till then, be good and do good, darling. And this is my first video of the year, so happy new year to all of you watching this video. I love you guys again. Bye.